How to schedule a ride in advance using Bolt. Want to plan your trip ahead of time? Here's how to schedule a ride in Bolt easily and securely. First, open Bolt and set your pickup and drop off locations. Before confirming, look for the clock icon or schedule ride option near the bottom of the screen. Tap it, then choose your preferred date and time. Review the ride details, then tap Confirm Schedule. Bolt will automatically assign a driver closer to your selected time. Schedule rides at least 30 minutes before your trip for the best availability. Have you tried scheduling a Bolt ride before? Let us know about it in the comments below. And that's how you can schedule a ride in advance using Bolt. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.